Let me show you several different ways how to charge your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4. So not only we can actually charge this using a wire, but also a wireless charger as well. So I'll show you all the ways. But first, if you want to charge it the regular way, as see on the back of the case, you have the Type-C port. Inside the box, when you purchase this, we actually do not get a cable or charger, which is completely ridiculous in my opinion. So you simply take your Type-C, plug it in over here, and then you can plug it in pretty much anywhere. For example, like a wall outlet, or also, for example, you can also apply it in like a PC or laptop. So again, any Type-C port. And so why it's actually not charging from my PC? Okay, so you see it started to charge. So you see like a red light is shining. That means it's charging. Once it stops being this red and turns green, that means it's fully charged the case. Also, for example, you can charge it from a power bank as well. Let's say when it comes to a power draw, it doesn't really draw much power at all. As you see, literally maybe like only 1 watt. So you can charge it for pretty much anywhere. Also, you can charge it from your phone as well. So see, for example, if you insert in your phone, so it's simply like taking power from your phone and also recharging the case as well. And then also we can charge them wirelessly as well without any lead or also even from your phone wirelessly as well. So first, if you have a wireless charger, so you see, as soon as you pop on your earphones, they also will start to charge. So they have wireless charging, both the regular Buds 4 model and also the Pro version. Both of them have the wireless charging. Also, if you have a Samsung phone or any other phone that has got reverse wireless charging, we can also charge it from our phone. If you go in the settings, for example, this is Samsung phone, battery, wireless power sharing, make sure to enable it. And as you see, if I pop on my earphones on the back of my phone, I see they also start to charge. So how cool is this? And then finally, also, if you're wondering if you can actually charge these without the case, so maybe on a wireless charger without the case at all, so you see what happens if you place it, nothing happens. So again, we really, the only way we can charge them is through the case. So it has got internal battery, and I think once the battery runs out of your earphone, I think you can recharge it like maybe like four or 5 times from the case, so fully charged. So it actually has got good battery life. So you see inside the case you have these 2 metal pins, and basically on the earbud itself as well as see you have those 2 pins here. So they simply connect to the like pins here and then they charge. Also you see if you insert the earbud, it will give this indicator that also it's charging currently. Okay, good luck.